So Vishnu has 2.5 rasas. So Krishna is Akila Rasamrita Murti. So Krishna is the supreme form of Godhead, and the worshippers of Krishna are the supreme form of worshippers. And the place where Krishna, where Swami Bhagavan, Sri Krishna lives, the place where he lives, and the place where he experiences the topmost Madhurya Ras and loving exchanges with devotees, and the place where the topmost devotees of Krishna live, and topmost devotees of all Vaishnavas and devotees of Vishnu live, is Vrindavan. Vrindavana Bhumi Apara. This is Raja Bhumi Apara. This is Apara. Apara means transcendental. Alokik. Apara means unlimited. Apara means no compare. Vrindavan. So this is the answer that Krishna, anyone is. And now the next thing is, you're saying, oh, what was your question again? You can please repeat.
Which is the best rasa?
Which is the best, thank you. Which is the best rasa? So I've explained by Shastras and by everywhere. Krishna's Leela, he's Leela Purushottam and he's Madhurya Purushottam. Oh, you say he's Madhurya Purushottam, Rama's Madhurya Purushottam, okay. He's Madhurya Purushottam, but not Purna Madhurya. He's not Purnatam. Krishna is Purnatam. Krishna, you might say, oh, it's very sweet dealings between Sita and Ram. Really? Dragging around the forest for 12 years, 13, how many, 14, how many years? 14 years. Wearing bark and eating berries, eating jamun fruits, jamun and amla. Kubanand. There's no mangoes in South. They're in Panchavati, they're down south, there's only coconuts and jamu fruits. And then you finally get your wife back, and then you throw her away again. And she's pregnant. Cook brain bob. So people say, oh, there's also, because I met people, you say he's Madhurya Purushottam, Ram. But Krishna, I accept, yes. For the Ram Bhaktas, he's Madhurya Purushottam. But Krishna's Purnatam Madhurya Purushottam. Why? What is my praman? Krishna, your Bhagavan is Madhurya Bhagavan. My Bhagavan is Madhurya Bhagavan. Mera Krishna Madhurya Bhagavan. Apka Ramji Madhurya Bhagavan. What is it? Some yukti prayukti. Yukti prayukti. Argument, counter argument. TK, pronounce. But my Mera Swami, Krishnaji, he is Purnatam Madhurya. Ha! Jai Shri Ram, Jai Shri Ram. Why you say that? Shri Ram, Shri Ram, Shri Ram. This is aparad. Shri Ram, Shri Ram. No, I prove it to you. I challenge you. My Shamsundar, he has 4 sweetnesses that your Bhagavan doesn't have. Veno Madhurya, described in Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu by Rupa Goswami. Does your Ram play a flute?